Speed Nation? Need to Speed Car Reviews. I'm here, Boi Na Braza, cars and steaks. You see I got the mean one right here behind me. There's a few other Hellcats out here I wanted to show you real quick that's really nice. Especially this Redeye. Silver, red accents, nasty. But hey, beat this. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for giving me that thumbs up. Let's get me over 1,000 subscribers, please, before the end of the next month. Let's get there. I'm coming short of my goal. COVID-19 really messed a lot of things up, but hey, we're gonna still move forward. We're gonna get as much footage as we can. I promise to bring y'all some new stuff, so I got some other content coming on the way with me driving supercars on the road course. And I even got the Hellcat wide body 2020 on the road course, the first one to do it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notifications, because that video is going to come in series and you'll see how I compare all 4 of the cars that I've driven to the power of the Hellcat on the same road course. I got the wife with me. She's in the car doing her makeup, you know, can't get out the mirror. But we're gonna eat today too. I'm not gonna film that, just gonna film these nice cars, this nice environment. It's cool outside, so stay tuned. Everybody, you see John. He's still getting stuff set up. How you doing, John? Good to see you, man. Hey, good to see you.
Doing good?
Awesome, awesome. Good. We're gonna eat today.
Good, you should.
Yeah, as soon as we're done out here, we're going to eat.
Yes.
I'm social distance right now, so I can take my mask off. He's the general manager of Boi Na Braza, so, you know, we're going to eat today. I got some mean Corvettes right here behind me, y'all. Let's go ahead and check them out. What's going on, Speed Nation? Right here beside me, I got Roger, right? AKA Whoop Dog, right? He's got this nice C7 Grand Sport limited edition. Roger, go ahead and tell me a little bit about your C7.
Yes, it's a 2017 Grand Sport Collector's Edition. I got number 674. And as you see, normally aspirated. I've done a little something to the motor, done a little something to the insides of it. Make it look, put my little touches on it, make it pop. So that's all it is.
Really nice. Now you was telling me this is number what?
Number 674.
Number 674.
Yeah, no, mine is spec'd out. It's only 611 of those built out of that. So
that's crazy. Only 611 built. That's it. That's it. Super rare Grand Sport you see right here. So I will hold on to this. It's gonna be worth a lot of money. Soon it's gonna be worth a lot of money. So
that's the plan.
That's it. So Roger's also telling me he drove this car on the track at Circuit of the Americas. How was your experience with that?
Oh my God, that was a wonderful experience. You don't really get to appreciate these cars unless you can get them on a real track. Running around the streets, you can't.
That's so true.
And so I had a great time.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I said I better stop before I tear up something, though.
Well, you got a nice one on your hands, Whoop Dog.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Alright, Speed Nation, I got Trey right here with me, right? He's got this nice Redeye, y'all seen it, Challenger right here, right? He also owns a detailing business. Go ahead, Trey. I want to hear you talk about this Redeye first, and then, you know, we'll go into the rest of the stuff.
The Hellcat Redeye, as you do know, it is one of the fastest Dodge small car cars that's out there.
That's right.
So we have one here that's on display. It's part of our Sparkle Shine promotional vehicle, right? Showing our display and our detailing services as well as our ceramic coatings, and do everything that you can to want to do for us appearance-wise to your vehicle. So right now, the Hellcat Redeye has 797 horsepower. That boy can really move, right?
Yes.
So, but we want to give you another look at what it does by only looking at it. Not only when it go fast, but when it go by you, it is a blur with shine, all right?
That's right.
So definitely, guys, hey, come by, check us out. It's Trey and Sparkle Shine Auto Detail. We're located at the Galleria Mall, but we also have mobile units in all of the DFW area. So check us out. If you don't have anything that you do need to done, give us a shout.
That's
We're here
it.
for you.
That's right. You get that, y'all. He is mobile, so he can come to you guys. He can come to you. So that's awesome. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See that, Speed Nation? We get love from Porsche owners. There's a Porsche owner right here. He's admiring the Hellcat. Y'all see that? A Porsche owner, love Porsches, die hard, admiring the Hellcat. He said if he has more garage space, he would do what? I'm not going to put words in his mouth. What would you do, sir, if you had more garage space?
I'd buy at least one of these.
Y'all hear that, Speed Nation? Y'all better give a thumbs up for that.
Well, you know what turned me on to Dodges? It's back in 1965. My best buddy had a Dodge Polara with a Hemi in it.
Okay.
3-speed Hearst on the floor with a spring-loaded shifter.
Wow.
1965.
And that's what turned you on.
That was, I think, the first year that they came out with Hemis.
Okay.
And it was a black Dodge Polara.
Wow.
Two-door.
Wow. Two-door. Wow. That's awesome.
That's what, ever since I loved them.
That's
someday
awesome.
I gotta get a Hemi. I've yet to get one, but I'm gonna get one someday.
One day. All right, y'all. Let's take a look at his Porsche. They've done a really good job.
Nice.
Yes.
They're really pretty now.
Yes, sir. They've really done a good job. All right, Speed Nation, I got both my wives out here, right? And here's the thing. Wow, here's the thing. I'm trying to figure out how to keep both of them happy at the same time, right? Because one, all they want to do is drink gas, go to the gas station. The other, I don't know, just everything else. You add everything else, that's what she complain about. So, hey, comment down below if you're in the same situation. Look at the look I just got. Like, share, comment, and what's the other one?
Subscribe.
All right. Speed Nation, I got a subscriber with me named Layton. Hey, tell them about your car meet Fast and Loud, and when do you do it?
I do it second Sunday of every month in Colleyville.
Okay, second Sunday every month, Colleyville. Check them out. Let's get out there. I'll probably be out there too. You know it. You know I love these car events. So hey, like, share, comment, subscribe. Y'all got it right here. Get out, y'all, Speed Nation. I got the owner right here of Boi Na Braza, right? And he's got his little girl. Say hello.
Your name. Say hello. What is your name?
Julia.
Yeah. Julia's
We got
6
John.
years old.
And we got Julia.
Thank you.
Yes. See that?
This is
And
my
she's
wife,
6 years
Suella.
old. And that's his wife right there.
Say hi to the camera.
Yes,
You're
sir.
gonna be all over US. All right, thank
Awesome.
you, man.
GT500 in the flesh, y'all. Real nice. Love this orange, man. Really nice. Hand built. Ford has done an awesome job with this right here. 760 crank horsepower out of this right here. That's awesome. Made it to a dual clutch Tremec transmission. Awesome. Hey, Speed Nation, I got Zachary right here. He's the owner of this 2020 GT500, right? He was nice enough to let me, you know, film it, look inside and all of that. Zach, tell me how you feel about your GT500.
I think it's the best car Ford's ever made. Simple as that.
That is so true. Besides the Ford GT, besides the Ford GT,
Yeah.
but
For what it's
they
worth,
put a lot of
yeah.
technology from the Ford GT into this right here. Yes, definitely. Best Ford you can buy for, I want to go and say this because under 100 grand. Now you can get them over 100 grand, but you know, if you're lucky. But yeah, absolutely. What else about your car that you love?
Everything, man. It's good to drive. And, I mean, I daily drive it, so.
Right.
I mean, whenever I need the power, it's there.
There you have it.
Whenever I get on it.
Cool. Social media. You have any social media people can follow you?
Yeah, it's s550.zachary on Instagram.
There you have it. I'll link that in the description below as well. Once again, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. It's time to eat.